What's going on? How are y'all doing? I'm sorry I didn't do my video for the past 2 weeks, plus being late today. I'm sorry. I'm a bad person. Um, okay, let me remember everybody's questions because I totally didn't write them down. Okay, Molly, you asked, how did I spend my Easter? Well, as everybody knows, we didn't get Easter off. Um, I guess, well, I didn't really, it wasn't a big deal or anything, but it would have been nice to have Friday off, but I lived, so it's not so bad. Um, I just studied, and that's about it. I had a linguistics test Tuesday, and the week before that I had a sociology exam on Wednesday and a chemistry exam Thursday. And I have a bio exam next Tuesday and a chemistry quiz Thursday. And then I'll be done until the last week of school where I have a linguistics and chemistry exam on Thursday and a sociology exam on Friday. So life is wonderful. Um, okay, let's see. Who else had a question? Oh, my last day of school. My last day of school is the 17th. I know that because my last final is on the Monday the 17th. So I'll be done around, my last day would be around, it'd be Monday around 1 o'clock. Moving, the day I move out would be the 19th, but Patrick can't go home until the 18th because he's transferring to business school and he has to be there in person or something. I don't know, it's stupid. Um, okay. Kaya, you wanted to know our top 10, and I'm pretty sure I told you this, but for everybody else, let's see. Number 1 on my list is Viva la Vida by Coldplay. Woo! And then number 2 is Some Hearts, Carrie Underwood. Number 3 is Inside Your Heaven by Carrie Underwood. Number 4 is Good Morning Baltimore by Nikki Blonsky of Hairspray. The new version, not the 80s version. I think it was the 80s version, I'm not sure. Not that one. The number 5 is Piano Concerto number 1 in G major, movement 1, Allegramente. I'm pretty sure the last part's not French, but I pronounced it. I'm sorry, Paige. Is by Maurice Ravel, or Ravel. Hehe. Number 6 is The Single Ladies by Beyonce. Number 7 is When God-Fearing Women Get the Blues by Martina McBride. Number 8 is When You Tell Me That You Love Me. It was American Idol Season 4. Everyone, all the finalists sang an ensemble duet, whatever. Number 9 is Whenever You Remember by Carrie Underwood. And number 10 is So Small by Carrie Underwood. I hope that was a top 10, not top 25. Okay, yeah, that was top 10. I didn't want to give you extra information, even though my life is amazing. Okay, your punishment for me was to tell a secret. And my secret, well, I've really told everybody about my whole life, but in case I haven't, I don't remember because I don't remember what I've told, who I've told, blah 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 blah. But I don't think I told anybody. Actually, I don't know a secret. I should have become more prepared, but I really don't have anything that I'm not willing to tell anybody. Just because I think everyone has a right to know, since we basically trust each other, hopefully. So I think I really don't have any secrets. Like, to be perfectly honest, I guess that could be my secret, is that I don't really have a secret. I don't know, I just think being open is, I guess it's a lot better Anyway, well, since Paige did a cooking show, I thought I would be a nerd and give you a brief chemistry lesson by yours truly. Today's lesson will be called oxidation reduction equations. Today I will tell you how to balance this crap. Ready? Okay. When you see this, what do you think of? Yes, that is just a random chemistry equation. Well, I will tell you what this is. This is iron 2 chloride plus 10,4 chloride yields to produce 10,2 chloride and iron 3 chloride. Now, when you think of this, you're thinking, crap, is he really going to teach me a chemistry lesson? Well, yes, because well, I know Molly, I don't know about the other two of you. Whatever, I know y'all aren't taking chemistry, or I don't know if y'all are, then this will be very helpful because then you don't have to learn this. Um, some of the when you're dealing with certain elements and blah blah blah, you can't just balance it. I mean, you can't just put a 2 or a 4 or whatever. You have to split into half reactions. And before that, you have to assign your reaction and compound something called oxidation numbers. And see, I have already done that for you. Iron has a +2, chlorine has a -1, tin has a +4, chlorine has a -1. Oh, but why does this iron have a +3? Well, you see, transition metals, which are basically anything that you think of as metals, such as lead and copper and gold, tin and iron, they all are called transition metals, and they all contain more than one oxidation number. Chlorine, however, is a group 7. I don't want to say this. I think it's a halogen or whatever, but it's a group 7, so it is automatically a -1 charge. For example, potassium will have a +1 charge because it's group 1. Group 1 has a +1, group 2 has a +2, group 3, 4, negative, blah 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 blah. Anyway, I have assigned these all oxidation numbers. And the next step is balancing using half reactions. I did a condensed form saying that iron donates 1 electron and tin donates 2 electrons, but 1 donates 2 electrons and 2 donates 1 electrons. You can do a half reaction traditional blah blah blah, but you're just saying you need to, this is a least common multiple of iron that you can produce on the product side, and this is the least amount of tin you can produce on the product side. And you assign these, you see which one, see this one's donating 2 and this one's donating 1 from a +2 to +3. So that's an oxidation. The iron is being oxidized because you're losing. The more positive you get, the more electrons you are losing. However, tin is being reduced because you are gaining 2 electrons from +4 to +2. The more negative it gets, the more reduced. The more negative means you're gaining electrons. Now that you found the least common multiple, then you are ready to balance. 2 iron 2 chlorides plus 1 tin 4 chloride yields to produce 1 tin 2 chloride and 2 iron 3 chloride. And this is balanced. And that concludes today's lesson over oxidation reduction chemistry. Well, I'm about to be out of time, so I'm going to say goodbye, and I don't have any questions for y'all because, you know, I can't think of any, and I have 29 seconds before I run out of time. Okay, well, I gotta go because it's already 1:50 and I'm already late, and I'm sorry, you can punish me later next week. Well, I miss you, and I hope to see y'all later. I will see you in less than 10 weeks. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.